Hey guys, so I want to demonstrate this script I have in my main script. So I used to work with SPSS all the time, and I first off, I'd use hot strings, of course, because they're amazing to pull up some of the syntax I need. And then if I wanted to run descriptives on, let's say, these variables, I'd come in here and say, oh, let me get this one down to this one. I'm going to copy it. I come here and paste it, and I can run this, and you'll see, oh, it gives me the values. This is the percent. But this is a lot of code here. What I can actually do, SPSS allows to do, is to get rid of the stuff in between and put the word to here. And now if I rerun this, it runs it again. This is how it works. But that was kind of tedious. So what I did was, let me get back to having this handy. So I can come in here when I hit copy. I'm going to come in here and hit copy. Now I'm going to come back here, and now instead I'm going to hit Control-Shift-F and watch what happens. Bam! Right? I get the first variable, the word to, and then the last variable. Right? Just what I need. So this, you can see how this would really speed up what I'm doing, because I can write my code and I don't have to do that intermittent step. The code itself is very simple. So here's my hotkey, Control-Shift-F. I have it doing a little bit of logic that says, hey, if there's a word space, the word to and a space, don't do it, because sometimes I'd forget if I did or didn't already run it, and then I would have it wrapping itself around it. It was really confusing, so I put a little logic there, and then I just basically grab the clipboard, I stir split on it, looking for the new line feed or return new line, and shove that into an object. And then, so obj1, because that's the first instance of it, it's going to be the first one. And then obj count over here, that's going to be the last number of the last one. And since I'm putting it here off of this object, that gives me the last instance of it. So I shove this is where I get the double quote, a little space here, because I want to have a space at the beginning. That's right here. And then the first item, the word to, with spaces on both sides. I just like having it. It's just easier to read. And then I send paste, and that's it. So I hope that gives you, again, I know no one watching this is using SPSS, but it can give you ideas of things you can do if you're going into something and getting a list of them, and you just want some of them, right? Or if you wanted them all on the list, or you want to do something with them, hey, you know what? AutoHotkey is a great opportunity for doing that. Cheers.